This is an Onyko Integra model DPC-7.1 DVD and CD changer from 2006. This is maybe one of Onyko's higher end units from the time, and picked it up really cheap at a thrift shop in non-working condition. Has a lot of features. It's kind of an interesting machine. I was able to get it working. Here's a look at the rear panel. You got a lot of connection options here. You've got the ability to control this via RS-232, so some of those high-end home automation systems like maybe the Crestron and others can be interfaced through that. You've got the infrared in and out, so you can daisy chain the infrared sensor, control other devices with that. The RI is some kind of Onyko proprietary remote control system. You've got the regular analog audio outs, coaxial and optical digital audio out, HDMI, which is probably a pretty new feature for the time, and component video output, both via BNC or RCA, and then composite and S-video for the rest. And I think this unit might have been dropped because the power connection is broken, and I'm going to fix that, given that it looks like this unit's going to work again. This one actually says it was manufactured in February 2007. Here's what it looks like when you power the unit on via the HDMI. So there's some lag there. So right now in disc 1 position, I've got a DVD that has been playing, and if I hit play, it'll pick up from where it was. Now, the interesting thing about this machine, you can also load it while it's playing, so I can eject and the drawer will come open here, and you can add discs while it's playing. So I'll go ahead and put a CD in the slot 2, and maybe a couple of CDs. And I'll let you load the other positions as well. So I hit disc skip, and that'll skip me ahead to the second disc. Skip ahead. Here's a look at the internals of the machine when it's running. So it's got a CD in there now. Nothing really remarkable here, and I believe they wanted $500 for this machine when it was new, and glad I didn't pay it, and I probably wouldn't. It's, you know, mostly plastic like everything these days. Here's what it looks like when you open the drawer while it's running, and it still keeps your CD going. The CD transport moves up and down on that white cam there that drives that whole assembly up and down to pick up and drop the discs, and there's some of the electronics. This machine basically I think it had been dropped because and fell and hit the power connector and jammed the tray pretty much. All I really did was some disassembly and retimed things. A pretty easy fix, really. So it looks like it has some life left in it. We'll use it for playing back CDs and DVDs. It'll also read rewritables and CDRs and MP3. I guess at the time that, you know, was what most people were using. So if you wanted to burn MP3s, you could. So thanks for watching.